Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set email and phone in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then on profile. And here as the bottom option we have set email and phone. We tap on this, and here we can enter at the top the email address that we have, and then below that the phone number that we would like to connect the app to. After we are done, we just tap on the save icon in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.